Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up a professional business email address under your domain name and how you can connect this business email address with your Gmail account so that you can seamlessly manage your email communication from mobile device, desktop, or whatever device you are going to use. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to explain everything step by step there. So here we go, I'm on my computer screen and as you can see, I'm already signed in with my Hostinger account. To start creating our business email address, I have to click here on this emails option. After that, you will see the list of websites that you have hosted with your Hostinger hosting package. So let's say I want to create an email account with this domain. So I'm going to click here on this manage button and then we're going to be landed right here on this email account setup page. I'm going to click on this create email account. After that, we have to provide the email that we are going to create. So it is going to have this @thedomainname.com. So I'm going to put the other part. So I'm going to type out, let's say contact@faridas.art. You can put your name like Rafi@faridasart or Farida@faridasart, whatever you want to put. So I'm going to go with contact@faridas.art and then we have to select a password. So I'm going to type out the password right here. And then we have to click here on this create button. And within seconds, we are going to have our new email account. So now we have just created our email account and we can access the emails from here. If I go to mail.hostinger.com and if I provide the details right here, the username and the password, and if I click on login, we'll be able to access the email account and we'll be able to read and send emails from here, but it is not seamless. So we're done with creating our email account. Now it's time to connect this business email account with our Gmail account so that we'll be able to send and receive emails seamlessly. So let me take you to my Gmail account. And after that, I'm going to click here on this settings option. Then let's click on see all settings option. And then we have to go here on this accounts and import option. And after that, we have to find this option, send mail as, and to receive emails, we have got another option, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So after coming up here, we have to click here on this add another email address. So before I do that, I'd love to make this a bit smaller so that I can see some parts of the settings. So I'm going to scroll a bit and then we're going to click here right on this button, add another email address. And here we go, we have got a setup widget appeared right here. Now, what we have to do, we have to go back on our email setups page and then we have to select our email client, which is going to be Gmail. And then as I'm doing the setup from desktop, so I'm going to select desktop. And here we go, we have received the POP server and the SMTP server for our email address. So as I have created the email for contact, so I'm going to type out contact right here and then as the name, and then we have to provide our email address in this field. So let's say contact@faridas.art and let's click on next step. All right, now it's time to copy and paste our SMTP server. So let me copy this SMTP server from here. Let me copy this part and paste. And here we go, I have just copied and pasted the information right here. And the port is going to be 467. As of now, it is 587. So let's click here and we're going to select 465. And then we have to provide the username, which is contact@faridas.art. We have to put the full email address that we have just created. And then we have to put the password for this exact email. So I'm going to type out the password. All right. And then whatever they are recommending, just simply go with that. So currently it is selected to SSL, but in some case you might going to see that the secure connection using TLS as well. So I'm going to select go with the recommended one, and then let's click on add account. After that, they are going to send us a verification email. So let me take you back to this email inbox. And if I click here on this reload page, we should receive this email. Here we go. Let's open this up, and after that click here on this link. So let me click here on this link to verify, and then here we go, we are on the confirmation page. Simply click on this confirm, and here we go, confirmation success. We can now visit our email inbox from here as well. Now again, we are done with the process of setting up sending emails from this business email address using our Gmail account. So if I click here on this compose, you will see, if I click here on from, you can see that along with many other email addresses, we have added this one, contact@foridas.art. So we can select this one and send emails from this email address right from our Gmail account. So now let's cross this out. We have to receive emails, whatever appears or comes along into this business email address, and now it's time to set this up. So let me take you again on the settings page, and after that let's click on see all settings, and after that we have to go again to this accounts and import, and then we have to scroll a bit down. We're going to find this option, check mail from other accounts. So we're going to click on this add a mail account. After that, I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Alright, so after that we have to put the email address that we have just created, or we want to connect with this Gmail account. So let's type out contact@foridas.art. Let's click on next. After that we have to go with the selected option, so let's click on next, and then we have to put the pop server username and password for this email. So let me type out the username as foridas.art. We have to put the full email address in every cases, and after that we have to provide this email's password right here. So let me type out the password. All right, after that we have to get the pop server, which is provided right here on the email setup page. So I'm gonna select this pop server, copy, and let's paste it right here, and then we have to change the port, which is 995. So let's select it from here, 995. After that, make sure you are selecting 3 of these. So the first one, leave a copy of retrieving message on the server, and then always use a secured connection, and then label incoming messages with this email account. Okay, and make sure you are not selecting this option, otherwise it is going to skip your inbox. It is going to be available under this email labeling option only. All right, so let's click on add account, and we are done with the setup. All right, now we are done with the setup. It's time to click here on this complete. I have set up my client. Now if I simply try to use this email from my inbox, let's say I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to select this email, contact@foridas.art, and if I send an email to rafi.torik, and if I type out something like hello Rafi, hi, and let's click on send. If I simply visit that email address or go to the email inbox where I have sent the email, if I reload this, just take a look, we have received this email from contact. So here you go, if I open this up, this was the email that we have sent. Now if I reply to this email address or email, let's say hi, I got it, and let's click on send, it is going to be sent from this email address to this email address, and it should be appeared within a few seconds. So let me take you back to our original tab right here, and if I reload this page, here we go, I have received the reply. If I click here, we can see that we are being able to send and receive emails from this business email account using our Gmail client. So this is the process how we can create and set up a professional business email address under your domain name, how you can connect your business email address with your Gmail account, and now you can seamlessly send and receive emails from your Gmail client. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you got any question or if you are having any trouble, feel free to let me know by commenting below. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and check out my other videos which I have already uploaded on YouTube. And have a good day. Bye bye.